make a living out of designing sculptures and installations. And I've always had a problem with the fabrication part of my sculptures. I always designed them and there was a gap, there was somebody else fabricating it. I needed to work with these machines firsthand and understand their possibilities, their limitations, everything. And it actually helped me take sculptures to the next level, make them actually move, not just with the wind, with motors and electronics. It's one module that can be replicated multiple times. It's the same concept, so I just worked on one of it and tried to perfect the mechanism. I needed to work on a mechanism where the flaps move up and down. There's tension, it had to go back to its original place. So I started working on a spring mechanism, and all of these parts are 3D printed. Everything else is laser cut. I've used a system called living hinges. With the electronics, right now I just have one servo motor. I have a couple of flaps moving. I think what I liked most about the academy itself was that everything that they were teaching us was super broad, and also the assignments were very vague. So you see this huge spectrum of things. There are people designing the tiniest things to rocket ships and drones. That helps all of us really to broaden our own horizons.